HMD Global is launching a range of updated classic feature phones that prioritize long battery life, essential connectivity. Now introducing Nokia 108 4G 2024. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Nokia 104 4G 2024 is another affordable option with a focus on basic functionality and a 1450 mAh battery. This model provides the essential for a smooth communication experience. With a 2.4 inches QVGA display, it includes FM radio, MP3 playback, and classic games like Snake, adding a hint of nostalgia for long-time Nokia users. Designed to handle daily tasks without draining the battery, the Nokia 104 4G is a perfect option for those who value particularly over extensive features. It includes 128 MB RAM and 64 MB internal storage and 4G connectivity, making it a simple but efficient device for calls, text, and light entertainment. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.